coming up in this video, I've got a Southern Comfort cocktail using apricot jam. Stay tuned. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman. I would love it if you subscribe to this channel if you want to learn how to drink, serve and enjoy your favourite drinks even more. This cocktail, Southern Comfort, we're going to serve it up in a kind of, this is a lovely sort of rocks glass, kind of like a martini glass, but it's actually a rocks glass tumbler. I'm going to make it in a cocktail shaker. The first ingredient we want actually is apricot jam. Jams work, it's amazingly well in cocktails as well. They're kind of like purees if you really want to, but they just need a little bit of the sort of loosening down. So I'm going for a really sort of healthy chunk of, it's quite a solid jam this one, so a healthy chunk of apricot jam there. It's just supermarket only, that's all that is. Next ingredient I want is some lemon juice. Now I just want 25 ml of lemon juice. Pour that in there, and then just to kind of break the jam down a bit before I shake it, I want 50 ml of Southern Comfort. There we go. Now the alcohol and citrus should nicely sort of start to break down the jam. Before I shake it, you just need to sort of stir it and loosen it up a little bit. So about 30 seconds to stir. Right, there we go. You can see that's all nicely broken down. Now, my little tip for this, because it all depends on your jam, have a little taster. For this jam, I'm just going to need just a touch of sugar, just to bring out the flavour slightly more. Say, all jams are different, but I just want a touch. So I'm just going 5 ml of sugar, extra sugar in there. Now, one more ingredient before this shake. I'm just going for some mint leaves. Got some nice mint out of the garden. I just want about 6 decent mint leaves. Just break those off. There we go. One more for luck. 2 more for luck. Right, palm your hand. As always, we do with the mint. Give them a spank. There we go. That just still wakes the aroma. Pop those in. Now I just need to ice this down and give it a shake. There we go. Right, pop your tin on. And then hard and fast shake for about 12 seconds. Right, when that's all nicely blended together, you can see the sort of mint's broken up there. Pop your glass out. Now, just one final ingredient. You don't have to, but I like to use just a little bit of sort of Sprite, lemon lime soda, and I'm just going 50 ml. Just to pop that in there. Now, no need to strain this. You can just pour this straight into your rocks glass. Perfect fit. And then just to garnish, I'm just going for another sprig of mint. Pop that in there. Serve it up with a straw. And there you have it. Give it a name in the comments below. Popping up on screen now is going to be more Southern Comfort cocktails on my channel. I've been Steve the Barman. Big shout out to all my patrons. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.